Welcome to Uma Residences, the tallest building not just only here in Naga City, but the entire Bicol region. My name is Barbie, and I'm going to show you around the first vertical development and the tallest residential building located here at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, Uma Residences. Uma is a Sanskrit word for mother or ina. Appropriately so, it's located near the Naga River, where you can actually watch the Peña Francia Fiesta's fluvial procession every September with your own eyes. This 16-story building houses a 194 condotel units and 150 for residential units, giving you a total of 344 units for you to choose from as your next super investment. From 2nd to 7th floor, condotel units. From 8 to 18 floors, residential units, giving you a vast view of the cityscape, farmlands, sunrise, sunset, maybe even the tip of the main volcano. So now let's have a look of the showroom. One corner 2-bedroom residential unit and one studio-type condotel unit. Let's go. Here we are in a 2-bedroom corner residential unit. This one has an area of 54.79 square meters. Upon turnover of this unit, you'll have a blank canvas. As I mentioned earlier, this unit will be turned over as a semi-furnished one. Of course, the kitchen sink, the quartz stone countertop, the cabinets, induction stove, and a range hood, these are all included. The window is a double-glazed low-E window that acts as an insulator because it reduces the heat that comes through the window. Of course, this multi-split aircon is included. All of the residential units of Uma Residences have balconies. This is so much perfect if you're going to be here during the Peña Francia Festival because you'll be able to see the procession or the fluvial procession of Our Lady of Peña Francia every September. Now we're done with the residential unit. Now let's have a look of the studio-type condotel unit. But before that, cool, right? Come on in. Welcome to the studio-type condotel unit with an area of 27.96 square meters. The condotel unit is a fully furnished one. Take a look at this. Where is it? It has a censored light here at the kitchen. It got this very beautiful cabinet with a microwave, a range hood, an induction stove, a very beautiful and elegant sink, golden one. It comes with this electric kettle, of course with 2 cups and of course the utensils, the cutleries, they're all included in the package. And then this one has a mini fridge that will also come when you invest for a condotel unit. Of course, the cabinets are here, and then the toilet and bath over here. The toilet and bath comes with these accessories. The toilet, the towels, these, and then of course, I'm going to show you something about this beautiful LED mirror. This one is a defogger. Of course, you're going to be able to use that whenever it is already foggy in here. And then, of course, it's censored. This one, you can turn it off and back on. As I've mentioned earlier, this unit comes with appliances. That means this TV right here is also included, plus that split type air conditioner over there and the telephone over there. Condotel units has 3 options. You get studio, studio corner, and 1 bedroom. So there you have it. Call or text this number below and set an appointment and visit Huma Residences to see your next lovely home or your investment for yourself.